Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is the Skydroid G series remote controller multi-controller tutorial. The products used in this tutorial are the Skydroid G20 and Skydroid G30. First, open the tool assistant on either remote controller. Tap Advanced Options and enter the password, dev. Find Frequency Matching and enter the menu. Take note of the MAC serial code. Open the tool assistant on the second remote controller. Again, tap Advanced Options and enter the password, dev. Go to Frequency Matching and change the MAC serial code to match the first controller. Then tap Save. Next, go back on both controllers, find Set the RF, enter the menu and select Remote Control RF Settings. After setting the parameters, use the first controller to arm the motors and start them spinning. Then turn off the RF switch on the first controller and tap Save. Now pick up the second controller to operate the drone. You'll see that you can still control the drone's rotation. This concludes the Skydroid G series remote controller multi-controller tutorial. Thank you for watching and for your support. Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.